today we are doing the 5K run for Pink Run in support of breast cancer research in Ireland. Okay, join us! Are you excited?
Yeah, this is my first time.
So this is her first time na mag-run. Okay, in an event. In an event. Yeah, first time in an event. So there you go. So this is the Kilkenny Castle. Kilkenny Castle. That's the Kilkenny Castle.
And what made you choose your first run being here at the Breast Cancer Ireland Great Pink Run?
Well, I suppose
so it's going to be 1, 2, 3,
in the natural department of the high school in Kilkenny, and we look after mastectomy patients, so it's a very worthy cause. I've done the Dublin mini marathon a number of times. Thanks.
Did you do the same?
Yeah, I done it. Yeah.
My wrist
No, you're
doesn't
good.
look nice in the video.
Lovely. Thank you, thank you.
Next weekend. Put your true face in a couple of minutes.
We're even.
You're all ready and sweaty before
Yeah, you can do
we get started the 5K race.
Thank you.
All these walkers, joggers, runners need your encouragement, guys. So they're going to be standing out on the course. The guys coming through halfway.
Yeah, yes.
Good support as you can. If you're in the pen, face towards me if you don't mind, and we will go through a nice easy warm-up, alright, prepare you for your event, alright? Just nice and easy as we're standing around. Let's start rolling the shoulders, let's loosen up the bodies, alright? So get your hands out of your pockets, because if I see people standing like this, it just shows me that you're not really interested. Okay? So hands out of pockets, roll the shoulders back nice and big, and give me a big smile on your face. Alright? Glutes now, hamstrings, all those big muscle groups in the legs. Well done. Anybody here? We show of hands. Up in Dublin yesterday, take a part? Huh? No, we don't like Dublin, no. We keep our money in Kilkenny. Yeah, but they have enough money up there.
Turner, this has been phenomenal. This is your third year here, and my goodness, we went from 1,500 people in year one to over 3,000 today. So well done, Kilkenny, you're marvellous. I just want to say on behalf of Breast Cancer Ireland, our whole mission and vision is that we want to transform this disease from often being fatal to being a treatable illness long term, and that is by supporting our research efforts. Research is key for us, and 80% of the funding that we raise goes directly into our research efforts. 20% goes into our awareness campaigns to just educate women about good breast health, which is very important. And I suppose I just want to tell you today that this is our third Great Pink Run. We started 2 weeks ago. We had our first overseas one in Chicago, supporting the University of Chicago's Breast Centre. We then came to Dublin, and now we're here. We have raised over €625,000. All of this money will go into our research efforts, and this year we will be supporting metastatic disease, which often occurs to a small number of patients annually where they get a recurrence, and we're trying to look at ways to inhibit a recurrence and to keep these people well. So your support has been and will make a massive difference. So thank you so much, and massive thanks to our sponsors, because with their help they cover all of our costs. So your registration fee and your individual sponsorship is what counts and goes directly into our research efforts. Here from Glanbia, just to say a few words, is Sean O'Neill. Thanks, Sean.
Hello everyone, I'm not going to say too many words, but on behalf of both Glanbia and Avonmore Slimline Milk, we've been involved with Breast Cancer Ireland with the Great Pink Run for the past 9 years. We've worked very closely with them over the past 2 years to expand the run to Kilkenny 2 years ago and Chicago this year. While every one of them have been fantastic and we've had huge participation, I have to say Kilkenny is special. It is our home. It is the foundations of Glanbia are here, and I'm thrilled with the number of Glanbia employees who are out today to support. Breast Cancer Ireland do awesome work. You're absolutely awesome to come out and support them in such numbers, and we're thrilled to be associated with you. So best of luck to all of you, whether you're running, jogging, crawling, enjoy.
Okay, we're going to do countdown. 4, 3, 2, 1. Enjoy it, make the most of it. Charlie, bravo. Okay, second wave. Waiting for the horn. You look beautiful. Thank you so much, guys, and I wish you all the best. Make the most of it. Enjoy it. Are you ready? Hang on. Oh, hang on. Oh,
look at that.
it's all right. We'll sort it out. Not a hassle. Well, in the meantime, you can take selfies. I mean, look at the beautiful castle behind you. Just look behind you. You can take selfie and don't forget hashtag Great Pink Run. I happens. Hey! Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh dear. Oh dear. So, ladies and gents, I think you will all deserve your medal at the finish line. So I'll see you at the finish line. We will get that sorted, and I look forward to seeing you there. Hang on, hang on. I know you're eager. Just hang on a second. This is for safety. Ready? Well done, lads. All the best. I'll see you at the finish line. I'll be shouting, Ali, Ali, Ali! Just another one! Yay! Excellent, you're so good. Ready? Yay! All together to make a difference. Hold it a second. Hold it a second. Hang on. Enjoy, lad.
Oh yeah! Laki yan, may hakbang mo. Maganda ka! Are you tired already?
This is a family event, and this is how it should be. Thank you.
Hey, John! Come on! One down! Well done!
6 down.
Go, go! We're here, Bon! 4 down!
6 down. Well done.
Woo!
Already done one left, so go on, you can and the hard part done.
No. Oh no, we have cake.
Where was that done?
I think in France. France?
We have nearly 2
Where is she? Come down here. You're doing well. I need wheelchair.
This is where you get to breathe. This is where you get to breathe. Well done.
Come on, sabayan natin. Laki ang step mo. Laki ang step mo. Halika na. Oh, that's nice. Look at that.
So many pieces. Wow.
Halfway there. Where is she? Oh, 4 kilometers. One more left. Yeah.
Go crazy at me later on.
Oh, look at him. He's so good. I could bring my little boy next time.
That's very cute.
What a piece. Nice one, guys. Super stuff, ladies. Bravo, bravo.
Can I get you to walk under, lads?
You keep moving at the back as you collect the medal in your first friends. Lefty.
Sorry.
Third win out here.
You walk,
Thank
you
you
can
very
take
much for crossing the finish line here. For completing it. We're doing it to make a difference. Right on Michelle, Dreamer, super stroke. I love the artwork on the big number. Some of it. I love them. And the sun is back as you cross the finish line, Joan. Well done.
Well done.
Well done, Dennis. Good job, man. Good
Well
luck,
done.
Bravo. Well done.
Oh my God, that's great. How much? 1 hour and 10?
Yeah.
That's very good.
Really good. Yeah.
I know you.
I'm surprised, Laura.
I am. Oh, look. She's ready for 100 again. So we just finished. It's actually walking for 5K for Pink Run, which is great. It's actually a lovely walk. It's lovely weather. So well done to my sister. Well done. So hopefully this is the start again, and hopefully we can do more running. Okay.
Oh, how's the run, guys?
It was a fun run. Well, actually we walk most of the time because Joan here is not used of running.
Yeah.
So it took us, I think, about 15 minutes.
I'm always at the back of my sister and I'm looking at her hat.
Oh,
Yeah. So we actually enjoyed it, and I'm so happy that she managed to finish it.
oh my God. What's the time?
Yeah, maybe I think it's less than 15 minutes.
50?
Because we 15 minutes because we actually walk most of the time.
Oh.
Because she didn't really train, so which is good. Like it's for the good cause. It's for breast cancer research here. So this run for breast cancer Ireland. Yeah. So it's my first time to do this, and we did 5K. We did 5K. So maybe next time we'll do 10K. And there's about they say 3,000 people who did it, and you can actually see loads of children as sizes Kian, 5 years old, boys and girls running, which is really nice. So maybe next time we'll bring the boys to do it. Yeah, it's really nice, fun run.
It's a good experience.
So hopefully next time she can join me again. So next time, next year. Thank you. Bye.